Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. We now know how much it'll cost to get behind the wheel of the new Toyota GR86 in Britain. The Japanese manufacturer's UK arm has announced the sports car is to cost £29,995, which is a slight increase compared to the GT86 it replaces, while still undercutting the cheapest 2.0-litre Mazda MX-5 RF by £1,305. Keeping things simple, there's just one grade of GR86 on offer. As standard, it features 18-inch black alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, adaptive LED headlights, auto-folding mirrors and a reversing camera. Inside, you'll find heated seats, dual-zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto connectivity, and leather, ultra-suede upholstery as standard. Factory-fitted safety features include autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance. GR86 can also be secured for £299 a month on a 42-month PCP contract following the placing of a £4,777 deposit, with a final payment of £16,470. Just like its predecessor, the GR86 is the fruit of Toyota's partnership with Subaru, sharing the same platform and engine as the recently refreshed Subaru BRZ. Toyota claims it has engaged in a friendly rivalry with Subaru to develop two new sports cars with distinct characters. The Toyota GR86 is powered by a naturally aspirated 2.4-litre flat-4 boxer engine, which replaces the 2.0-litre unit found in the old car. European specs are yet to be confirmed, but the Japanese version of the car produces 232 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. That's 35 bhp and 45 Nm more than the car it replaces, which means the GR86 will get from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds, or 1.1 seconds faster than the old car. These figures could change once the car is away from Toyota's home market, though. As standard, the new engine will be mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox, although Toyota will offer a 6-speed automatic transmission for an additional £2,090. Both send drive to the rear wheels through a limited slip differential. The GR86 is built on the same basic platform as the GT86, which means it retains the same proportions as its predecessor. However, Toyota is keen to stress that the shell has been upgraded with more strengthening panels and stronger bonding techniques, which improve the chassis' stiffness and sharpen up the handling.